welcome you to this virtual STEM program. This is an outcome of the tireless endeavor and enthusiasm of our students and support and guidance that you extended to your children. It would not be possible without your cooperation and kind help. As this is a virtual exposure, we encountered many challenges and limitations in organizing this event. Our students were able to come up with their STEM projects successfully because all of your hard work. You played the role of a true partner. We as teachers could not provide them hands-on support the way we give in physical classroom due to COVID-19. We hope that you will enjoy this occasion and encourage our little scientists. Thank you for your kind support and everything that you have made to bring this STEM program a success. We would like to thank our head of primary, respected dear Shatila Miss, and our grade level coordinator, Ms. Husanara, for their all-time support and guidance to make this event a success. Now let's start the program. We are going to open the program with a storytelling on science fiction. Now here comes our brilliant storyteller.
Hey, do you have a brother and sister? Because I have.
Start. Everybody mute. Junana Mohammed, start.
Everyone, my story. The story's name is The Right. There was he was and
You can hear her.
And on that hill, a little bird. A little boy named
Your mic is not okay, Zunara Muhammad.
Dear parents, I would like to share something with you. Good afternoon. I will be sharing a link in the chat box, which will be the feedback. You can give the feedback in that link. Thank you so much.
Hey, that one was cool.
Okay, now Zunara Muhammad, start. Zunara Muhammad, are you listening to Miss Zunara Muhammad? Okay, start now. Start. Start. Zunara Muhammad.
Once upon a time, there was a little hill, and on that end, lazily, a little boy named Wilbur was sitting on that hill and looking at the birds. If only I could eat dinner. Come on, Orville. Don't you think that those birds look magnificent flying in the sky? Birds fly because they're birds. Birds fly because they have wings. Do you think if people had wings on their shoulders, we would be able to fly too? Wings? Yes, of course we would be able to fly. That night, the Wright brothers spent all the night making a pair of wings. And in the next day, they were finished. Hammer this part real hard, Orville, said Wilbur. Wilbur, do you think we will be able to fly with these wings? Of course we would be able to fly. and call Mom and Dad so they can see us fly. Wilbur wanted to fly from a high place, so he called their parents and went to the hill. Wilbur, stop it! It's dangerous! Yelled his father from down the hill. Stop playing, dang him! Wilbur anyway ignored him. Wilbur, will you be all right? What if you get hurt? Said his little brother Orville said. Don't worry, I'm going to fly. For a second, it seemed as Wilbur was flying, but in the next moment, he crashed. Wilbur, talk to me.
Unmute.
His parents and Orville ran to him fearfully. Wilbur's father carried Wilbur home. If only I could change the wings into kept mumbling all. As soon as the Wright brothers graduated from school, they searched about airplanes. One day, a shocking news appeared. Orville, it says in the morning news, that our woman crashed while testing the glider. Oh my goodness! Who's gonna search about airplanes now? Orville, why don't the two of us start? And from that day onward, the Wright brothers put all their energy into researching airplanes. 4 years passed. We're done. Now all we have to do is succeed in our trial. The Wright brothers made an airplane. All people gathered around in a quiet beach. Trial flight. Then, when the Orville got in first. Orville, just stay calm and do as we practiced. Don't worry, Wilbur. I'm sure of our success. Wilbur gave Orville a takeoff sign. And along with the takeoff sign, the engine started rattling, and the propeller started moving. And slowly, the plane started moving slowly and then high in the sky. And slowly, the plane landed on the ground. Wilbur, how long did I fly? Orville asked Wilbur. I think you flew for 12 seconds. I think you flew about 30 meters. Now it's your turn. Okay, I'll beat your record. When Wilbur got in, Orville measured the flying time. 39 seconds, 19 seconds, 98 seconds. Wow, Wilbur, just a little more. When Wilbur flew up high in the sky, the crowd applauded. And on 1903, and on 1908, the Wright brothers made a better airplane. They flew all around Europe, showing off their new airplane. But still, after that, the Wright brothers kept making more and more airplanes. The end. Thank you.
Muhammad, okay, please give emojis to Junara Muhammad. Friends, give your feedback. Okay, now, are you all ready? Okay, now here comes our sweet little scientist with her interesting science project.
Hello friends and teachers and parents. My name is Alina Shahid and I am going to share my 2 science experiments with you. So my first science experiment's name is slime, and how I made the slime is, first I took my cup and poured 100 millimeters of tap water inside it. Then I microwaved it for about 30 seconds. After that, I took it out and I poured it into my clear bowl and put 1 spoon of my slime borax powder into it and mixed it for 3 minutes. Then I took my cup again and put 10 millimeters of glue inside it and added 20 millimeters of water. Then mixed it for 30 seconds. After that, I let it set for half an hour. Then, after half an hour, I took both the bowls and I put 8 millimeters from my borax mixture to my slime and water mixture and mixed it for 20 minutes. Then I took my slime and I put some decorations in it. Then I stirred it lots more and then my slime is ready. Thank you. And that's
Alina, can you show your slime?
Yes.
Show your slime.
Here is my pink slime and here is my yellow slime. Tell us how you make the slime again.
Okay, now the second one. Here comes our second presentation.
Tell us how you make the slime again. My second presentation's name is soap. And how I made the soap also, I took my soap cubes and put some of them inside a bowl. Then I microwaved it, but how I microwaved it little by little so it does not melt. Then I put it aside and took my soap molds. And I put some glitter and some food coloring inside my molds. And then I took my soaps and put them inside the molds as well. Then I put it inside the fridge for about 20 minutes. Then I took them out. Then I took them out and your soaps are ready. Thank you for listening to me.
Show them the soap. Show the soap.
Okay.
Soap.
Here. I have all my soaps.
Yay. Now emojis for Alina. Emojis for Alina. Okay, now please mute. Now, dear parents, let's enjoy from one of our cute future scientists and mathematician.
Assalamualaikum. I am Arisha Aman. Today I am going to present my math project. It is a math tree. It could be used for calculation. By moving this paper, we can add or subtract the numbers. Let's see how it works. Always 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 minus 2 equals 1.
Done? Okay, now the
Thank
science.
you. My next project is wind power car. It is a car made of paper. It moves with air. See? It's me. See,
Thank you, Arisha. Okay.
no machine is needed, so there is no noise and no pollution. It could be used for rural because there are lots of air. Thank you.
Okay, emojis, please emojis, give emojis. Thank you so much. Okay, now it is time to observe from one of our smart, cute little scientists. Let's enjoy what is she up to? A little scientist.
Good afternoon, class and teachers and parents. My name is Asma. Today I'm going to share my science experiment.
Asma, louder. Asma, louder.
First I took the plate, then I set up the M&M, and then I need to put little drops of water on the middle, then on the side. It will spread sometimes later. It will look like a rainbow. See how it spread.
Thank you, Asma. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Do you have another one? The lava?
That's all.
Okay. Lava land. Oh, the lemon one. Okay. Explain.
I cutted the lemon. I cutted the lemon. And then then lava is coming.
Yes, we saw the eruption. We saw the eruption of the lava from the volcano. Okay, lemon volcano, right? Emojis, please. Emojis. Okay, now dear parents, now it is time to enjoy from a little mathematician.
To show my lava.
A little mathematician. See up.
Yes, Miss.
Start.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sia. This is my math project. This is my math project. This is 100. And this is tens, this is units. Now, this is 200 wanted equals to 21. Then 2 tens 1 unit equal to 21. Then 1 tens and 1 unit equal to 101.
Thank you, Sia. We are happy. Please, emojis for Sia. Okay, now here comes our brilliant and talented little scientist with his phenomenal science project.
Good evening, good afternoon, parents, teachers, and students. I'm gonna show my experiments of a volcano. First, I need vinegar, baking soda, and green fruit color. First, I will open the vinegar and put some vinegar in the volcano.
It's okay, Araf. You can continue.
And I will put the and it explodes. And I want to tell something about the volcano. I want to tell a few things of a volcano. A volcano is an opening on the Earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash, and gases escape. Volcanoes happen when magma rises to the surface of the Earth, which causes bubbles of gas to appear in it. This gas can cause pressure to build HP in the mountain and it eventually explodes. There are about 1,900 active volcanoes on Earth. average, a volcano erupts somewhere in the world each week. Thank you.
Thank you. Emojis, please. Please, emojis. 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 Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Okay, there will be question answer session after this, after everybody done. Okay. Dear parents, now let us enjoy from our little scientist with his science project. Adyan.
Hi everyone, my name is. I'm going to show you how to make bubbles. First, you need a glass of water. Then you put liquid soap on. Then you need a spoon to mix it up. Then you can have a straw. Take the straw in the bubble. Then take some of the bubble and then watch me. What I do.
Did he go? Did he comes out from the straw?
Yes.
Huh? Yes, okay, no problem. Are you done? Adyan, are you done?
Miss, yes, there was an explosion.
Okay, now it is time to listen from a great little scientist with his science project.
Assalamu alaikum friends and teachers and parents. My name is Muhammad Yazan Sarkar and I am going to show you my science experiment. My science experiment's name is the shooting car. And now I will tell you what I need to make it. I need 4 pieces of Lego and a toy car and a rubber band. And now I will show you how it works. I need to stick the car to the rubber band, then I have to let go of the car and the car will be shot.
Wow.
And the car will be shot by the force of the rubber band. Thank you for your precious time.
Emojis, please, emojis. Okay, now here comes our little toddler scientist with his science explanation and the conclusion.
Assalamu alaikum friends.
Instantly. I watched it.
Uh-huh.
Miss,
Najar, please continue.
Nazar, start again. Nazar,
Who is presenting?
Adyan, please mute Adyan. Okay, Nazar, start.
Dawat, mute yourself.
Assalamu alaikum friends and teacher. My name is Nazair. I'm going to show my science project. Sailing boat. First I tried with tissue rolls, but it didn't float. It got sunk. Then I took a hard paper and cut it with shape of boat. Then I paste the bottle cap with glue. But we have balance. And I make a flag with paper and sticks. See, now this is floating. A simple boat, which is so easy. First, I take a cork sheet and take a rubber and rubber it and make a flag. See how this is floating. Now, the heavy. So what we learned, the heavy things cannot float in the water, but the light things can easily float in the water. Now I'm going to show my maths project. Now I'm going to show my maths project on addition and subtraction. I have 2 trees and I look 3 trees. Together 5 trees. I love to eat apple. I have 3 apples. My mom gave me 3 apples. Together 6 apples. Can you see there are 5 balloons? And I take 2 balloons. There are left 3 balloons. Thank you for listening my project.
Okay, emojis, please. Emojis. Okay. Now, dear parents, let us enjoy from our cute little scientist with her science experiments.
Assalamualaikum friends and teachers and parents. My name is Nashat Aflaha. I made 2 projects. One is science project and another is maths project. For this project, the name of my project is Lemon Orange Biology Science Experiment. For this project, I need two big jar of half water and 2 oranges. I put in, and this orange is peeled off and this is unpeeled. I put the peeled off orange to this jar. Pavita miss, can you tell me, does it sink or does it float?
Okay, I don't know yet. You experiment and prove it. Experiment and prove it.
Yeah, it sinks. It sinks down.
Then the other one?
I put the unpeeled orange to the water. Farida miss? Oh. Raja miss, can you guess?
Yes.
Does it
What?
sink or does it float?
What is the reason? What is the reason? Why it is floating? Why that one sunk? What is the reason?
It is full of teeny pockets of air. That's why it floats.
Okay.
And orange peel is heavier than an orange with apple.
Okay, that's why, right?
Thank you.
And what is your other one?
Another math project.
Yes.
This math project has shapes. That shapes are additions. In these shapes, there are circles and squares. And this crafting is made by flour. And In the flowers, I put their numbers and additions. Thank you. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 0 is also 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 1 is also 5. Thank you for my experiments.
Okay, emojis, everyone, emojis, lots of emojis, please. Okay, now here comes our little scientist with his creative science project.
Assalamualaikum, dear parents and teachers. I am Rafas Rahabar Ahmed from KG2C. Today, I'm gonna show you my experiments on science. My project's name is Clean the Water. Let me show you what we need to make this project. A bowl, water, black pepper, and cleaner. First, put the water on a bowl. Then take out some black pepper and put it into the water. Then put some cleaner on your finger and put it into the water. See, I have cleaner on my finger. Now I'm gonna put it into the water. See, that happens because the water surface tension is very low. If you put a cleaner into the water surface tension go away around the bowl. Thank you for seeing my experiments on science. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rafaz. Please, emojis, please. Okay, Azma, are you going to show us that lava one, the box one?
Okay.
Okay, please show. We have time. Okay, Azma, explain.